Mga brawler, mount up, mount up. Come.
Good check OC if you haven't
Nag-ghosting
man.
na sila, ghosting na.
Copy. May GG ba daw to? May GG ba?
Sige, sabi natin.
Ay, wrapping north. Mounted pa
Yes,
to, ano?
yes. GG call
Copy. Come let us. Ano, may GG daw?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copy. Palive ping lang.
Mounted.
Ping na ping.
Copy.
Dalawa silang.
Come and W. Saan na? Come southeast.
Cities.
May DC daw sa ano.
Come southeast.
Yun, nakakuha pa sila ka ng ano.
Wait.
I have iPhone through Rembreka.
Yeah. Delete kayo agad kapag may na defensive nyo.
Palive ping ako. Nasaan sila?
Up the choke. Up the hill, man. Up the hill.
May na DC daw. Wait, man.
Okay.
Some of them are dismounted, tas ano. Ay, parang bomb yung ano.
Kamis. Open world tayo. If we're gonna kite, we kite on my ping, ha? You see my ping? We kite there. It's open world.
Guys, ayusin nyo ha. This is not their strong party. Dapat mananalo din.
Gago nag-spawn.
Dito siya, dito.
Ito, brawlers, mga
May
mark na yung
defensive
brimstone.
tanks. If kaya nyo, go inside
Kill
them.
mobs.
Stop engage.
Ito, kill mobs pa, sa auto.
Demon armor guys ha. Demons nyo.
Tagal.
For your context, mga demon armor user, yung brimstone hindi naman di demon. Mag-delete lang kayo dyan.
11 minutes also.
Oh,
Anong tier yung brim nila?
7.3.
7.3 daw.
Dismounted na.
Copy. Kamis.
Oh, wait.
Wala pa.
Wala pa pala. Isa lang pala yun.
Wala pa.
Isa lang pala yun.
Wala
Di ba
na. Yung depth
siya
natin
sabi?
nagbibigay ng pick info.
Nako, sorry.
Kamis ka.
Ay!
Bigay nyo sa kanila yung mob na yan. Wawa sir. We have 8 DA though.
Yung
Ay,
ano,
ito lang po to.
French, try to fight lang open if kaya. Open world lang.
Yeah.
Kasi bridge fight, advantage siya no, Brim.
Level 2. Uy,
Wag dyan, I like. Ako. Diyan mo ba tinapon?
Ang tagal nila.
Ayaw.
Inubos ba nila OC natin? 10 minutes OC.
I like, wag ganyan boy. Trade ka lang sa akin. Promise.
Can you ask them if G... Sobrang tagal.
Wait mo na. May DC.
One man DC daw, one man DC.
Oh my god, di ako dala ng pangalawang food ko. Kasi 15 minutes
Ilan ba day nila?
One man DC daw. Uy, nag-break. Sino yun?
narinig.
May
Ba't
nag-go
di ko
break
kita
ata.
yung time ng
Saan?
OC? Saan ba nakikita yung time ng OC?
Nasa taas, Burns. Katabi ng food.
Katabi ng food.
Uy, may ano? Gagi, rim breaker. 8.2.
Yung may 4 at 5 na ano. Number.
RB.
Overbuild yata ito. Trade na lang kaya natin sila.
Tagal! Hype na yan.
Vitamate daw.
Wala akong dalawang pangalawang food
Oo nga, ako rin eh.
Kasi nung umalis tayo 15 minutes pa
Stay
yun.
here. I will talk to them.
Ilan na lang food mo, Lupe?
Ay, level 3 na sila. Dumating na ata. Di pa ba?
Kaya pa yan.
Piliin ko.
Minutes na lang pala. No?
Level 3.
Ay, lang.
Naka-double OC na pala sila.
They're moving na.
Tara.
Removing na.
Node po, it's why love sa bomber.
They're holding the hill again. They're on the hill
Spotlight.
again.
It's okay. Let them come.
May
Minutes
contact.
OC. Do you want to double OC guys? Just to make sure.
Yeah.
Alright,
Mamaya na,
double
mamaya na. Oh, okay.
Yan Yung bahala. If you want to double OC, go ahead.
Eh,
Ano na?
dito pa.
Don't throw skills yet ah. Not yet, not yet.
Long out the wall, you get bombed.
No, they still mounted.
1.13 ako po, tangina.
Utang ina.
130 TC? Hindi.
Hindi, 1.30 minutes.
Oh my god. Arbak muna. Punta muna ako ng ano.
Oo,
Food natin,
paghintayin nyo lang din
lang
sila,
kaya.
mag-arba kayo, yung mga magre-refood tsaka ano.
Kuha muna ako ng food ko. Tagal.
8 minutes food. Mawalang food.
30 seconds.
Sige, paghintayin nyo rin sila. Mag-food, kuha ang food, kesa matalo tayong ano, walang kalaban-laban.
FF muna, FF.
Eh,
Mga mag-arba. Paghintayin nyo sila. Hindi ko makita kung ilan yung ano ko, OC ko.
Spoiler.
bam mo, I like animal. Bam mo, dali.
Dismount.
Wag, gago niya bam.
Papi, brief. Ay, okay pa pala yun sa'yo. Ay, papi, na-dismount ka.
Hindi man nakataas.
Dalan mo nga ako Lurcher, Lupe. Andiyan ka pa ba?
Anong...
Yung mga rarat pa dito na
Tier 8, Lurcher. Lurcher sandwich.
8.1 lang? 8.2.
8 flat.
Okay, okay.
Saan yung vortex nila?
Gagos eh. Yeah.
Ano, nag-reconnecting din ako bigla.
Oy, ingat kayo ah. Baka ibam kayo.
RR daw. RRR. Ready daw.
Wait lang, wala pa kami.
Wait,
Wait to.
Ready now.
Sabihin niya 1 minute.
Ready daw. May naman wait. Wait. Real ako. Brawler. Ready to brawl the bomb squad.
Gago ka eh pa, mamamatay ka na.
Live safe.
Uy, i-mic mo na. Eh, ano, Papi, i-mic mo yung color nila. Para hindi tayo man.
Nakamark na yung
Ano
color
ba pangalan
niya.
ng color nila?
Yung isa.
Beach. Ito mamark ko.
Yeah.
yung
Ano,
brim,
yung-
i-mark nyo.
Yung second color nila,
Para
yung bin.
mag-roll agad. Yung brim.
Sino second?
Ah, nakamark na yan. Emil.
Mark. Pail nga ako, Mark. Ina na ito. Pail ako, Mark. Heal me.
Kukunin ko yan.
Ayun, si
Asan na
Randy,
yung mga...
ano,
Asan na yung pabalik?
Zoning na
Ang
lang.
pino mo, magpapight tayo.
Si Papi, mano ka dyan. Patayin niyo na yung ano, yung brim. Brown mo, Papi, yung brim.
O yung astral ah. Brown niyo yung brim.
Ang tataas pala ng IP nila.
Nasaan
Ako,
ka,
60.
Pinch?
Left
Baka
top
nakatingin.
awit na yan.
Nakatinay nga yung,
Okay lang,
yung color niya.
Tell them ready.
So, ready na tong left tank nila, oh. Putang ina.
Ready ba?
Burns.
R.
Burns.
Yo.
Okay.
I can double OC, yeah?
Toma.
Ha?
Ito na, hyper.
Ready na? Dismount.
Friendly.
Are they moving na?
Yeah. They're
Pick up.
Yung brawler dapat sa likod nila mag-dismount.
Holding sila, ano, appeal.
It's okay, let them.
Wala
Box
kaming healer.
Back out a little. Ingat kayo sa wall. Careful the wall. Comes out.
Yeah, Dabu. Atras ka.
Comes out. Careful the wall. We hold here.
Still holding.
Okay. Healers. Pa-aware ako sa front line. Baka hatakin ako. Pati yung dev tanks. So, I hold here.
Papi, be careful ah. Baka mag-over the wall. Going down na.
Tight. Comes.
Bumalik ulit. Ako?
No. Let them come. It's okay. Comes out.
Gusto siguro nilang ano. Fight.
Kill mobs.
No need siphon, 0 kung mag-double OC ka. Libre lang yung double yung pangalawang OC.
Moving na.
Dev tank,
Holding
pascal.
pa rin sila.
Yeah, still holding.
Come southwest. Come south, come south, come south, come south.
Moving. Moving na.
Come north, come north, come north, come north.
Party to invite Ryza.
Southwest sila.
Mamamatay ka.
Engage ka dyan,
Gago,
Hyper,
gago.
Angel. Hyper, oh.
Ready.
Engage ka, engage.
Kissing the breeze lang. You spread.
Ligawing back, ligawing.
Chill. Come west.
Ligawing back. Hindi ka na rush.
Come south. I won't fight them, Chol. Come south.
Happy, be careful.
Huwag kayong makukulit dyan. Come south. Tell me if they move.
Going down again.
It's okay.
Pero huhulihin siguro ako.
Okay,
Oh,
come north.
huwag ka uli. Hindi ka na.
Alam mo naman pala eh. Ayos pala eh.
They're pushing. One screen away.
Tight. Defensive's ready. Brawlers, you can go in now. Brawlers, go in. Yo, ready? Come inch up. Inch up, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside fast. Tight. Okay, walk south. Okay, walk east. Alalay sa brawlers, heal brawlers.
Engage.
I know, kamis, we have skills in 10.
10 sounds
Guard
back.
runes, please. Come 5.
Ready?
We have skills in 5. Kamis.
5 sounds.
Walk in, heals, ready. East, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, shallow now. Kill this one guy. Kamis.
They're pulling up again. Ayan.
Kamis.
Kahit nung boss.
Kamis. Oh, yeah, brawlers.
Front.
Kamis. We have skills in 5. There's skills in 5.
Ready?
Ready. Come inch up.
GI.
I fake.
They
Ready.
engage
Side
already.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Direct this club.
No damage.
Alright, come SE. They have skills now.
Front, they will
Come
engage in
SE.
front.
Come SE. They have skills now. Hello? Come southeast. They have skills now. Okay. It's okay. Walk southeast
Like,
na.
disengage.
Come at us.
Tanks, ano ginawa niyo dito? Tanks, ay,
Come at us.
tanga yung ginawa niyo dyan.
GI.
Ready, come at us. Walk west. Ready, west, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Direct this. Okay, come east, back east. They have skills soon. Come east. They have skills soon. Come east. Kite east. Hello, kite east. Stabilize. Defensive now. Nice. Walk west. We have skills in 5. Walk west. Walk northwest. Fast. Walk northwest. Ready? Walk northwest. Inside fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Delete this. Right, back southeast. They have skills soon.
Try mag-engage siya, no? Try mag-engage siya tank. Inside.
Yeah, defensive ready. Come southeast. Don't
May
cut.
sa east, may bomber sa east.
Spread. You spread. Yo, defensive now.
5
Yo, walk
seconds.
north.
Ready?
Yes. Walk north.
Heal sa front.
This is front. Ready? Walk west. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Inside.
Alien.
Inside. Yo, brawl. Walk south. They have skills soon. Walk south. Heals. Walk south. Hello. Walk south. Spread. Walk south.
Engaging.
Come south. You have skills in 5. Come south. Come south. Yo, heal me. I will die. Heal me. Ready? Inside fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Delete this. Inside. Yo,